Hakar Punyodre Uyayong Arja Arpuar, RiKhasi Students Union, Kalapan Pau, Baka Sorkar Kam Dei ban Sngap Kyndon Balabu the Harjan Panchayat Committee. Kini Kyndon Balabu the Kadika Committee Kilong Kabaningkong, Baka Sorkar Kadevan Ashipo Ikar Kajaka, Hapo ka European Ward na kabanta Kilonging Kiban Chapan Kandria na Harjan Colony, Barkabaar Kalong Baka Sorkar Kadevan Tip Ikabailud by Sep na kabanta ban Shnai Kiying, na kabanta Laispa Sapu Artani Kilonging. Habaikrim Klapatai Kubor President ka KSU ba Lambok Star Marngar uloong baka Sorkar ka Deben Weng Mardor ya baro ki basabi anya themyo molong lani hapo Harjan Colony badya ki bateri hapo ka Sorkar ka Deben Pinkadria yaki shaki kwatar.
From one hand, they agree to go whatever the government have decided to relocate them, and from the left hand, they have already made it very clear and strong condition that the government should provide lands and build them the house for all the family. So the stand of the union is very clear. Just people who have resided in the motor belong from any department, both the state and central government. It is the duty bound of the state government and this both various departments to take care of all this. Just people. So the KSU is make very clear to the government, don't entertain them, go accordingly to the wills and the demands of people, because this is a long pending demands, and we expect that the government should fulfill this long pending issue as soon as possible. With regard to this illegal settler, I think there's no need to talk with them. It's the duty of the government how to deal with this illegal settler. When we talk about this, there's people who have worked with the state government. I think it is the duty of the government and the people who have worked with the government to obey the rules that the government have already directed. So we expect that the government should make it very clear and don't try to hide here and there with regard to this issue. But we expect the government should come up with a clear picture.
If they are government servants, if they are settling there on behalf of the government, then why they are not ready to be relocated into different quarters provided by the government? Why are they are demanding 10 acres plot of land and 2,000 square feet per family? Now suppose if government staffs, government servants working in secretariat, they can also come out and protest in the street, give us 2,000 square feet, give us a huge plot of land. They can also do that. Don't you think that is their demand is unjustified? It is unacceptable. If they are illegal settlers, then the government should evict them.
But don't you think that the government should come clear? How many are the government servants and how many are the illegal settlers in that land?
They should do that, and it's up to the government. It's up to the government. But the reason that we call all of you here is that the government should not cede to the demand of the Kharmator, of the Harijan Panchayat Committee. The KSU will not accept that, and the KSU speaks on behalf of the entire Khasi community.
Does KSU feel that the community here, the HPC, feel that the issue is in their favor, hence they're making such kind of conditions to their government after seeing High Court's intervention also, so they feel like the case is on their side, hence they're putting such conditions? How does KSU feel?
You see, we cannot read their minds, what they are thinking. They might be delaying, or they might be indulging in other, what we cannot understand, we can't explain. But our voice is clear, and we want to reiterate that their demands should not be accepted, and it has been taken too much time. So government servants should be relocated and illegal settlers should be evicted.
Do you see any seriousness on the part of the government to resolve this issue once and all? Because they had been delaying this matter for quite so long, because they had formed a high-level committee quite a long time after those.
This issue is a ticking time bomb. It had happened before and it will happen again.
Do you see any serious? I mean, question we see whether you see that it is an NPP-led MDA government is serious to resolve this issue.
Let's see what the government will decide, and then we will also put our action into plan depending on what the government decide.